My name is Professor Dame Caroline Dean. I'm a project leader at the John Innes Centre here in Norwich, and I run a research group looking at how plants know what season they're in, the molecular basis of seasonal timing. People ask me about where my passion for science came from. When I was a teenager, I used to watch Jacques Cousteau a lot and the marine biology TV shows, and I loved those. So that was really what started it all off. And then I went down to university to do marine biology, inspired by Jacques Cousteau. The lab work inspired me because you had a question, you didn't know the answer. You set up an experiment where you could constrain things and then ask for a specific question, and then hopefully if it worked properly, you got an answer at the end. And so it was this revealing of information that I liked so much. So with isolated chloroplasts, you can put them into a little chamber and they produce oxygen. You can then put a chemical in that blocks that, and then another chemical which bypasses that, and then the oxygen returns. And I just thought that was amazing. So you can then come up with a sort of sequence of events for this oxygen production. It's really important to continue the work, because as we get into it, you realise that as you answer one question, there's another 10 just there. And as you get into the deep mechanism, you realise actually this complex scenario can be seen in a somewhat simple way. And as soon as you get to simplicity, or sort of simplicity, you really feel you're beginning to understand the core mechanism. And then that opens up possibilities in other plant systems to manipulate flowering time in crops, for example, or affecting memory mechanisms in human diseases. Many cancers are affected in this memory mechanism. So as you really understand that mechanism, it opens up opportunities to take that science out and actually use it in other circumstances.